No! Get! Princeton!
Eating everything.
Passion knows no bounds. He could totally rock the xylophone. But he's got to make time for the dentist visits too. Sure, it's lonely when you're new, but remember, muscle won't win you friends. It's the wrong approach. Not everyone is spy material. Some spilled the beans doing it. There gotta be a better role for them on the team. It's amazing when life pairs you up with your soulmate, right when loneliness hits you. Objects in your home may have hidden purposes, just waiting for your little detectives to discover them. I'm set on a future where my next girlfriend doesn't tease me about my skinny leg. Extroverts just turn any day into a dance party. They groove with the vibe even when they're alone. Girl, admitting your failure is the only way to wrap up this never-ending singing showdown. Lazy cup washers get creative with their water drinking. You hit 18, and it's like a secret mission to do everything your mom once forbade you.
No, you don't do that to wine glasses.
Living indoors doesn't make me a pushover. You better get out of my turf before I reveal my hidden karate skill. Want a green light from mom to grab a drink? You better whip up a clever plan to keep her grinning. Raise a bunch of sporty parrots, and you've got the best home stadium in town. No need for costly tickets. The best part is when you've got a karaoke wingman who's got your back and fuels your singing passion to the max.
See, you're mad because...
Why watch birds on the screen instead of hanging out with me?
I could do that too. See?
Everything has its limitation. You help me adapt, we're pals. But if you vie for my owner's love, were enemies. Flying is fun, but isn't it a bit boring for a bird like me? I'd rather be a circus clown.
Fly, little fly.
A singer flipping mad when his fam grooves to someone else's tunes for too long instead of hearing his vocals. A paired Picasso in the making. Here, we've got an upcoming artist with some serious color skills. Sharing space with humans means they have to pick up their habits for adaptation, like from being eco-friendly to getting tech-friendly. When having a hyper bestie, there's no room for your laziness, cause their energy's gonna rub off on you sooner or later. You gotta get clever to grab attention when your voice isn't loud enough to make sure there will be someone to lend you a hand.
As we're starting our descent into housekeeping, I have to say that the comments like
Bang, bang.
Eating solo is a real challenge when your friend, who's a total foodie, sits right next to you. Warming up at home before hitting the skating rink. Is that what this guy is doing? Parrots' epic multitasking is putting household gadgets on notice, and scissors are the first victims in line. Your mom came home from the store, but oops, she forgot that one thing you really crave. So you're like, I gave music conducting a shot, but it's just not my thing. So next. When you thought she had opened up and let you get into the relationship, but no. Boss, we gotta check that tough glass when getting a new phone. Leave it to me. No way I'm letting the boss gain weight, not even with a sneaky food wrapper. Is Messi moonlighting as the Parrots' coach? because they've both got some wicked soccer moves going on. Turns out, it's not wrong to say that our mouth helps us do everything, both literally and figuratively. Whether it's humans or critters, having siblings means non-stop drama. And thanks for tuning in!